How you do, YouTubers? JDCap26 here. Just do the tips and repairs, and we've got these tweezers that came in today for modeling and doing other things. And actually, they're very detailed tweezers by Vetus. And the first one is the regular, well, the pointed, very pointed, very sharp. I'll show you a close up of that, and can really get in. You could actually pick out a bad thorn in your finger or sliver with those. And these are used to put decals on models. And here's the curved one. I'll show you the curved one. Very detailed, very nice. Got them on eBay. And here's another pointed one. They give you several pointed ones. I'm trying to find the one with the flat one. Let's see. Here it is. Here's the flat one. Right there. Very nice, very springy, spring steel. I'm going to put them in my rack, tool rack, and with the covers on. And a couple of them I'm going to keep out over on my mug over there. So if you need a pair of a good set of tweezers, I would recommend these definitely. And they're not bad price. So thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Rate, subscribe, and ring the little bell on the right there for new videos. And I hope this helped you. Take care.